So the Garmin Fenix 7 and the Epix are here. If you'll head to Garmin website, you can see the Fenix 7 series and the Epix. Let's click on the Fenix 7 and see what it offers. So it looks like we have 3 sizes as before: the S size with the 42 millimeters, the standard model with the 47 millimeters, and the 51 for the X1. We also have the standard version, the Solar, and the Sapphire Solar. By the way, you can see there is a variety of colors. Those are more feminine colors, and you can find them in the 42 millimeters. The price starts from $699 and goes up to $999 for the Sapphire Solar version. As you can see, I think it's quite new and nobody did some QA on this website. So there are some, you can see here, those titles are unrelated to the text. Let's look at the Epix. The Epix starts from $999 for the Sapphire Black Titanium model. And you also have the Slate Steel, which costs $100 less. It looks like that the main difference in the Epix is the AMOLED screen. It looks like it has a really vibrant, nice looking screen. We need to see it in person because always the marketing photos of Garmin looks much better than in reality. So we need to see it in person. It looks like there is no microphone like the Venue 2 Plus. Many people thought that maybe the Epix Gen 2 will have this microphone feature. It looks like we didn't get it. So it looks pretty standard. Let's compare the models. First, I want to compare the Fenix 6 Pro, the one that I have, to the Fenix 7 to see the main differences. I intentionally chose the Fenix 6 Pro to see the differences. So in the material, it seems that there is no difference. The bezel material is stainless steel, unless you go for the Sapphire, but we are comparing the basic, the standard model. It looks like the quick fit watch band is the same, 22 millimeters. A quick notice, if you like this type of videos and you want to see more, you can help me out by supporting the channel and hit the like button. Also consider subscribing and join our growing community if you like fitness and tech. The Fenix 6 is a bit thicker with 14.7 millimeters against 14.5. The Fenix 7 has a touchscreen. The display size is the same, the resolution is the same. It looks like that the Fenix 7 weighs less, 79 grams against 83 of the previous model. So you gain 4 grams by upgrading to the Fenix 7. And the biggest change is here in the battery. You get up to 18 days of batteries. Also in battery saver mode, up to 57 days. And if you go to the GPS, up to 57 days, I guess 36 hours. So it looks like the Fenix 7 lasts longer. Also, if you can have an expedition mode, up to 40 days, or the max battery of 136 days, which is quite impressive. The water rating is the same, it's 10 ATM. You can see now that the memory has been reduced from 32 gigs to 16. You get only 32 in the Sapphire model of the Fenix 7. And if you look at the features, you can see that everything is the same beside the health snapshot. We need to look at this one to see what it means, but this is the main difference in health monitoring. The sensors are the same. The daily smart features are almost the same, besides now the Fenix 7 pairs with Garmin Golf app. The safety tracking features are the same. Tactical features the same. Activity tracking features, they're also the same. Gym and fitness equipment, now you get the high intensity interval training with the Fenix 7 like you got with the Venue 2. Now you get also VO2 max measurement in trail run. You didn't get it before with the Fenix 6. So this is the main difference now with the training. With the running features, you also get the same features exactly. The golfing are the same, but now you have touch targeting. I don't know anything about golf, but it looks like a new feature. And also it's tournament legal. Probably Garmin now made this watch to be legal in a tournament mode. With the outdoor recreation, by the way, you got with the Fenix 6 Pro the preloaded topographical maps, and you don't get it with the Fenix 7. It looks like that you can download the cartography support, but you can't really get the topo map out of the box. Cycling features are the same. Swimming features are the same. And by the way, it looks like the Fenix 7 has smart trainer control, and also I know that the Fenix 6 Pro that I have also controls my trainer, so I'm not sure about this feature. I think this one also being supported in both watches. So let's compare the Fenix 7 against the Epix 2. Let's see the main differences. So here we have the Epix 2. With the bezel material, we can see that the Epix 2, the Sapphire model, offers also a titanium bezel. The watch is the same size, the strap material, the physical size is the same, exactly the same. Both have touchscreen, both have color display. The display size is the same. The resolution is much higher in the Epix. And also you have the AMOLED always on. The weight of the Epix also is slightly lower. Now it's 76 grams. So if you compare it to the Fenix 6, you gained about 9 grams. Of course, the battery life of the Epix 2 is less because you have the AMOLED screen, but it's also impressive. You get up to 16 days, up to 42 hours of GPS, and you have all satellite systems on. By the way, I do suspect that those watches features dual frequency satellite. It's not written here, but it looks like it with the all satellite system multi-band. And it looks like both watches has it. The memory also is 16 gigabytes as compared to the Sapphire model of 32. And it looks like all the other features are quite the same. You have the ambient light sensor of the Epix Gen 2, but it's okay. But it's understandable because you have the AMOLED screen. Other features, I don't see any difference. I don't know what's the rest timer. I do believe that the Fenix 7 also supports that. Nothing else is in here. You can see that the Sapphire edition gives you the preloaded topographical maps. And that's it. The Fenix 7 and the Epix Gen 2 appears to be the same watch, just the main difference is the AMOLED screen. So if you like better looking screen and you get a fairly good battery life, you can go to the Epix. Otherwise, the Fenix 7 is a very good option. So what is my recommendation? If you're coming from the Fenix 6 Pro, I don't think there is reason to upgrade to the Fenix 7. I don't see a lot of features coming. The only feature that I really love to have in my Fenix 6 is the VO2 max measurement in trail running. I think that's the only thing I'm not getting, but I'm getting more gigabytes and I can store more songs in my Fenix 6. So I don't see a huge difference to upgrade to the Fenix 7. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.